Piloting drones is a relatively new activity that most people are starting to explore. We wanted to design a drone that introduced as many people as possible to the first-person view drone experience without breaking the bank. Introducing a whole new flight experience. The Bolt is an innovative and versatile first-person view drone available at a radical price. It's a complete, ready-to-fly out-of-the-box solution that's easy and safe to pilot. The drone for everyone. There are 3 ways to fly. First, for beginners, to start flying, simply turn on the drone and turn on the controller. The 2 will sync up and pair, and you can take off. The drone features altitude stabilization and a beginner's mode that makes picking up the basics a breeze. Learn how to safely and confidently maneuver and control your drone. Next, for those ready to expand their horizons, attach the screen to the controller and start piloting the drone further away. Simply turn on the drone and the screen. The camera on the drone will automatically sync and broadcast a live high-definition feed. Mount the screen on the controller and you're ready to go. Finally, for those ready for the full first-person view experience, swap the screen into the goggles and prepare for a whole new flight experience. Immerse yourself into the world of FPV piloting and cruise around high in the sky. Or try your hand at FPV drone racing and experience the incredible excitement from every twist and turn. Drone racing is a new and exciting sport that is quickly growing around the world. Using FPV goggles, pilots race their drones around courses to compete for the fastest times. It is truly the sport of the future. The Bolt can be used to experience drone racing at a fraction of the current price. It's an exciting virtual reality flying experience. The Bolt drone was designed and tested in Los Angeles by a team of expert product designers, aerospace engineers, and drone enthusiasts. It's built on a carbon fiber frame that offers unmatched performance and durability. The HD camera provides crystal clear video and photos, and the battery easily slides in and out for quick swapping. The drone design is modular, so that individual parts can be replaced. The result is a highly maneuverable, lightweight, and aerodynamic drone. The Bolt features a unique and innovative FPV viewing system that allows seamless transition from traditional viewing on the controller to FPV viewing using goggles. We're excited to offer the Bolt drone at a radical price. Traditionally, consumers purchase their drones at a high price point since importers, wholesalers, and retailers mark up the price of a drone up to 500%. By cutting out the middlemen, we are able to sell directly to you and pass on the savings. The Bolt drone was designed to introduce as many people as possible to first-person view piloting and racing without breaking the bank. With our finished prototypes ready for production, we're here on Kickstarter to raise the money we need for our first batch. With Bolt drones, we want to make first-person view piloting and racing accessible to everyone. With your support, this can be the start of something big. Thanks for watching.
Ladies, when you think about how we function in today's world, you realize just how much relies on battery life. Whether it's your smartphone or your tablet, we can't function without them. The same goes for ourselves. We lose sleep, we overexert ourselves, and we constantly stress out. I am happy to introduce you to iRejoy. iRejoy, the world's first power bank massager. A power bank can charge devices such as your iPhone, tablet, or iPod without needing to be plugged into a wall.
There's a lot of jumping from class to class, and sometimes I forget to charge my cell phone. And the iRejoy is nice and compact, so I can keep it in my bag, and now I don't have to worry about being stranded.
As if that weren't exciting enough, we've added a 10-speed personal massage feature with a quiet ultrasonic motor, all in a small portable tube. And it's small enough to fit into your purse, bedside table, or travel pack, ensuring you will always be fully charged.
My job has me traveling all the time, so it's really convenient to have iRejoy with me because my phone always dies. It has 10 different massage speeds that feel pretty divine. I'm able to plug on the go while I'm at the airport, in my car.
Relax your tired muscles, release healing endorphins, and tap into your body's natural ability to heal itself. The benefits are endless, and anyone can benefit. Some of the main features are the beautiful ergonomic floral design, crafted with soft touch silicone. Special pouch for storage or to discreetly charge your devices with included retractable cable. It comes in 4 colors, luscious red, Bliss Pink, Happy Blue, and Mystic Purple.
Personal massagers and power banks can both be expensive. But with iRejoy, you get both features for half the price. Why not have a device that can double task?
The iRejoy is simple to operate. The massage feature can be activated by simply pressing the power button twice. The power button switches between the 10 different massage modes whenever it is pressed. To turn off the device, press and hold power for 3 seconds. Life is better when everything is charged, and there's only one product that does this. Recharge, enjoy, iRejoy.
Taking measurements is a critical step in building and estimating jobs. When tapes are inconvenient or not long enough to get the job done, taking accurate measurements can now be as simple as taking a photo. Introducing Stanley Smart Measure Pro, a laser measuring device and app that work with your smartphone or tablet to take photos and capture real-time measurements, including height, width, area, or target location. A convenient built-in estimating function helps you estimate materials needed for your project. Instantly share a photo with your measurements via email to your teammate, boss, customer, or yourself. Whether you estimate residential or commercial jobs, or design and manage remodels, Stanley Smart Measure Pro will change the way you take measurements.
When they make instant repairs on the job site, they use a welding tool to fix it right. But you wouldn't try that on a pair of reading glasses at home unless you had 5-Second Fix, the liquid plastic welding tool that fixes, fills, and seals virtually anything in 5 seconds or less without the mess. Now that's going to save you money. 5-Second Fix is not a glue, but a super-powered liquid plastic welding compound. Simply apply, weld with the UV light, and in as little as 5 seconds, you have an everlasting repair. The secret to 5-Second Fix is the super-powered welding compound that cures to a permanent bond with the power of the UV light, so you always fix it right. Now you can fix a child's toy and bring back the joy in 5 seconds. It's perfect for crafters or hobbyists for a permanent repair on the ground or in the air. Fix flexible cords, small or large, so you always stay charged. Use it to repair a strap on a leather handbag in 5 seconds or less. And here's something you can't do with glue. We put 5-Second Fix to the test. We applied it to the ends of this tow cable to create a bond so strong, we pulled this 4,000-pound truck out of danger. Now that's amazing! And because 5-Second Fix only cures with the power of the UV light, you can position and reposition your repair so it perfectly fits there. Plus, 5-Second Fix is completely sandable and paintable. Your repair will be like new. Whether it's plastic, wood, metal, or glass, let 5-Second Fix repair it fast. Call or go online to get your 5-Second Fix for the special TV discount price of just $19.99. As a bonus, we'll include the protective carry case free. But to make this offer really powerful, we're going to double the offer absolutely free. And here's the best part. We're going to ship your entire order free. That's right, free shipping. Call or log on at 5secondfix.com.
Hi, this is Jen from SideClick. Today I'm going to show you how to program your SideClick remote using multiple devices. To start, you want to position the SideClick and the device that you want it to learn from, in this case my Samsung TV remote, head-to-head on a flat surface about 1 inch apart. To go into programming mode on SideClick, you're going to press the top power and the bottom B button, and you'll see that the status LED light is going to go solid. You're going to tap the button on SideClick that you want to assign a function, power, and in this case I'm going to assign it the power button on my Samsung TV remote just by tapping the power button. Next I'm going to do the volume button, but I'm going to switch remotes and assign it the volume button on my receiver. Same for volume down. Now for channel, I'm going to switch my remote again, channel up, press channel down on SideClick, tap channel down on Samsung. Source, source. For my A button, I'm going to assign it the power function of my receiver remote. And for my B button, I'm going to assign it the enter button on my Samsung remote. You'll see that the status LED is still solid, indicating that it is still in programming mode. To exit programming mode, you're just going to tap the power and the B button. The light will go off, indicating that it is out of programming mode and ready to use. Thanks.